Hi Coach, this is Felix doing a tutorial for the RGB. Here, as you can see, the RGB is working and turning in all different colors. I have a number 9, pin 9, pin 9 and 5 and 6 as outputs going into the RGB through the 100 ohm resistors. And after they go into the RGB LED, it goes to ground. And that is there. And here is the coding for example 3 basic RGB LED. As you can see, we have set up the pin 5 as a red pin and pin 6 as a green pin, pin 9 as a blue pin. And in the void and in the int display time, we have set up at 10 milliseconds between the cycle of each color. And in the void setup, we have set up the red pin as an output, the green and the blue pin as an output. In the void loop, we have the main colors will cycle, which is all of that. And in the main colors, we have first all LEDs off, which all the pins are turned off. Then it will wait for a second. Then we have the red one will turn on, which the red is on high, and all the other ones are on low. Then we wait for a second, then we turn on the green one. The red and the blue are in low, which means they're off, and the green one is on. Then wait for a second, then it will turn blue. The red and green are off, and the blue turns on. Then wait for a second, then it will turn yellow, and the red and green are on, and the blue is off. Then it will wait for a second, then it will turn the green and blue will turn on, and the red will be off. Then we'll wait for a second, then we'll turn purple. The red will be on, and the blue will be on, and the green will be off. Then it will wait for a second, and then the white one will be on, which in this one will all the LEDs all the pins will be on, and then it will wait for a second, and then it will cycle back to the top and repeat main colors again. And here is the modified. As you can see, the LED is white, and I added a potentiometer. So if I change this, it will change the color of the LED. Now it's yellow. The camera can't really pick it up. It's yellow and then it's white. I try to add more colors, but I'm not familiar with the if statement. And for the potentiometer, I have it set to ground here. Well, first, I have it as an output from 3 volts going into the potentiometer, and then it will come out on the white wire going to pin 0. It will also go to ground in the black wire to ground. And here is the coding for the modified. The modified tutorial for RGB modified. For the first, I added a constant that will turn pin 0 into a sensor pin, and a value of 682 that would be called white, and 341 that would be called yellow. This will be for the if statement. I didn't do anything in the void setup. In the void loop, I added 2 if statements. The first if statement is if the sensor value is less than yellow 343, it will do this. It will turn yellow on, and then wait for a second, then loop back to the top. If the sensor value is greater than white, on 682, it will turn white on. Then it will delay for a second, and then it will print the serial number. And here is the serial monitor. So if the number is greater than 681, the white LED will turn on. If it is less than 341, the yellow will show up.